In this video, I'll show you how to create your header. So the first thing you need to do when we come on our dashboard is that we need to go to appearance. Under appearance, then go to customize. Click on customize. Now, before we continue on that, I want to let you know that the template itself already have what I called CSS ID code on them. I'll show you what I mean right now. If you come to the section, click on this, then come to advanced, then you will see CSS ID. So for each one, you have a CSS ID. Each section has a CSS ID. So for this section is service. I named it as service. For this section, for testimonials, the CSS ID I named it as testimonials. For this section, okay, this section they have a name. I named it this section, this about section. I named it about, and the contact section I named it contact. So this is what we're going to use to create our menu, whereby if you click on a particular menu, it jumps down to that particular section. So I'll go back to our customize. Once you have clicked on customize, so you have all these settings right here. So there's something we have called site identity. Click on it. This is where you upload your logo and you give your site a title name. You can if you want. If you don't want, you can leave it. So I click on select logo. I have my logo uploaded already. The logo I created. So I'm going to click on this. I'll select. So you can resize your logo. I would advise you resize it. And yes. So I click on crop. There I have my logo. So the other thing you can have is site icon. Site icon are all these icon you have up here. All this icon you have up here on your browser are what I call site icon. So okay, I have done site icon before, but I'm going to show you how to do another one. Let me remove. So I'm going to use my my logo as my site icon, and I will click on the logo as well. Select, and straightforward makes it my site icon. So you don't just very simple like that, and then you can have it. So a lot of time I usually take away this site name, site title. You can give it a title, you can give it a title, a name if you want to. But a lot of time I do remove them. So the next thing we'll do is we go back. I'm going to menus. I'll click on menu. So you will see you will see create new menu. Create new menu. So you click on create new menu. Then you will give it a name. I'll call it main menu. The next step. Okay, I'm gonna go back. I think I'm missing a step right here. So I'm going to click on add menu. So once you give it a name, click on desktop horizontal menu. So once you have it there, you click on add item, then we come to this place. So the first thing we are going to do here is to click on custom link. I'm going to leave all the pages, click on custom link. So now, instead of putting any URL of any pages, because this is a one-page website, so all we're going to do is to add hash, then we add the name of the section we added CSS ID to. So just all you need to do is just click type hash, then click about, then give the link a text name that will be in capital letter, um, about, and I click menu, add to menu. So I do the same for um, services. Click on add menu. I'll do for testimonials. Click on add, then I'll do for contact. Okay, so once that is done, then you can click go back. So you have your menu created. Then you can go back as well. So once you're done with everything you do, click on publish. So the other thing I want to add is home page setting. Home page setting. If your website is new, you will see your home page settings to be on your latest post. So which is going to look like this. What all you need to do is to click on a static page. Click on a static page. Then you select the name of the page you created. So the name of the page is home page. Once that is done, click on publish, and then you are good to go. So then we go out of customization. We go back to our dashboard. So the other thing you're going to do right here is to add a theme. We're going to be adding a new theme. We're going to be changing our theme. So I already have the theme here, but if you don't have the theme, all you need to do is to click on add name and look for Astra. Astra. Type in Astra, you will see it here. So because I already have it, so I have active here. You will see installed. If you don't have it, you will see installed. You click on install, then after it is installed, you click on activate. So once that is done, I'll go back to my plugin. I'm going to add a new plugin. The name of the plugin is called Elementor header. Elementor header, footer, and block. So once you just type in Elementor header, you see this. So see this icon here. So click install. then you can activate. Once you have that, all you need to do is to go back to your appearance. You see header and footer block. Select. Okay, so I'm going to create a new header right now. Let me delete this one. I'll delete this. So I'll click a new header, add new. I'll click on add new. I'll give it a name, say header. So once you have that, you come down to type of template. You click on it, you click on drop down, and then you see header. I'll click on header. So underneath it you see display on. So this will show you where it needs to where you want it to display. Click on the drop down. I'm going to select entire website. So I want this header to show on the entire website. The next is user role. So you can select it and I'll select all users. So the last one here is enable layout for Elementor Canvas templates. Please always ensure you check this one as well. So once you do all of that, click on save default, save drafts. So then the next thing we do is we edit with Elementor. Okay, so for us to create our header, what we need to do first is to click on this plus button and we click on this um, section structure that looks like this. I'll click on it. Then I'll come to my widget here. So what I'll be looking for is, click on this. I'll be looking for the header and footer block. This right here. So first thing I'll need to do is to add my site logo to this place. Yeah, I have that. So the next thing I need to do, let me go back, is to add my navigation menu. And I add it to this place. Okay, so the main menu, oh, I created two names. So this is the one I just created. Okay, this is it. So now it's showing all my navigation menu. So the next thing we need to do, we need to customize this so that it will give us the best. So I'm going to click on this place, this section. I'll make it 20. Okay. Then, so I'll click on this section. Look at the layout. So the layout is horizontal. Okay, then the alignment is on the left. I want it to be on the right. And then, so we don't have any submenu. I'm going to leave that. So action on menu clicks. When the menu is clicked, what do we want? I just leave it like to open. So just the way it is. So the next thing I'll do is I'll go to style. So here in my style, I'm going to ensure the horizontal padding and the vertical padding. So the horizontal padding is to give some spacing in between them. So this, I'm okay with this like this. Spacing between, but I'm okay with this. So link over effects. So I have this. Let me check out this. If I over on each one of them, this underline effect will show up. Let me see. Frame. Okay, I don't want this. Now let me take context. Okay, okay, I prefer this. So this is just the effect when you hover on any of the navigate or any of the menu. So I'll come to typography right here. So make it a bit bigger. Yeah, not too much. Okay, this is good. Then I go to the text color. So I will love it. I will love the text color to be very black, like bring it down to 0. So then the over color or the active color, after the over color, I'll make it my main color. So over on it like this. Okay, okay, I think that's it. That. So I would go back to my logo, site logo. So I have an option to customize my image. So I don't like the way this logo is looking like this. So I'm going to customize it. I'm going to add another logo to it. So this I'm going to add this look better. So everything is on the same line space. Um, so the other thing I want to do is to give the background of this place white. I want to make it white. I'll click on the section, click on the background, classic, click on the color. I'm going to drag up to this place to have this 6F, then that is white. So the next thing I do is I publish. Okay, so I want to go to my site, the BC site, opening a new tab to see how it looks. Okay, now you can see I have my header right here. So if I click on anyone about, it takes me to the about section. If I click on testimonials, it takes me to the testimonial section. If I should click on contacts, it takes me to contacts where I can just click. Then it takes me to WhatsApp where I can continue the chat. So once, so this is just a simple way on how to create your header to your one-page website. And that is it for how to create your header onto your one-page website. I'll see you in the next video where I'll be showing you how to create automation for your checklists and how people can download, how to create a lead magnet and how people can download your lead magnet and how to create automation sequence in the next video.